Hello my dear students, welcome to Chemistry in Minutes. The question now appearing on your screen is exercise question 3.3. The question is, depict the galvanic cell in which the reaction zinc solid plus 2Ag plus aqueous gives zinc 2 plus aqueous plus 2Ag solid takes place. Further show, first, which of the electrode is negatively charged, second, the carriers of current in the cell, and third, individual reaction at each electrode. तो क्वेश्चन में हमें एक सेल रिएक्शन गिवन है, तो इसको सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन हमें दिखाना है और इसके अलावा इलेक्ट्रोड जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है वो बताना है, चार्ज कैरियर्स बताना है और इंडिविजुअल रिएक्शन एट ईच इलेक्ट्रोड बताना है. तो लेट्स राइट द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन. Answer to exercise question 3.3. So first, the given reaction and given reaction is zinc solid plus 2Ag plus aqueous gives Zn 2 plus aqueous plus 2Ag solid. Now the cell representation. So cell is represented, first we write the anode, and anode is zinc solid Zn 2 plus aqueous, then this for salt bridge, and then Ag plus the cathode aqueous Ag solid. So this will be the cell representation. Now the first part, which electrode is negatively charged. Zinc electrode acts as anode in the given cell, and therefore it is negatively charged. Now the second part, carriers of current in the cell. In this cell we are informed about the electrodes, but we are not informed about the salt bridge, or what material is present in the salt bridge. So in a cell the ions are carriers of charge, but as we don't know what type of ions or what ions are present in salt bridge, so we will simply write ions as the charge carrier. So ions are charge carrier in the cell. Now the third part, which is individual reaction at each electrode. So at anode, zinc solid gives Zn2 plus aqueous plus 2 electrons, and at cathode two Ag plus aqueous plus 2 electrons gives 2 Ag solid. So this is the answer to the question.